हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम फिजिकल एजुकेशन में जून 2019 में जो पेपर 1 जनरल एप्टीट्यूड में जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे उसके 25 क्वेश्चन इस पार्ट 1 में हम डिस्कस करेंगे वन बाय वन। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, peer group interaction in a classroom helps in number 1 concept understanding, 2 realization of one's misunderstanding, rapport building, 4th questioning. And the correct answer for this concept understanding. Question number 2, when the learning outcomes of students are ensured with employment of less resources and effort on the part of a teacher and more initiative for self-learning is evidence. Which of the following expression will describe the teacher most appropriately? Number 1, teacher is successful, teacher is effective, teacher is intelligent, teacher is practical. तो ये 4 ऑप्शन इस क्वेश्चन की है। करेक्ट आंसर इज टीचर इज अफेक्टिव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रिफ्लेक्टिव प्रैक्टिस implies यूज ऑफ वंस cognition, metacognition on cognition, reinforcement of learning। ये 4 ऑप्शंस हैं इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज मेटाकॉग्निशन। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन एम्प्लॉयज नंबर 1 इंश्योरिंग लर्निंग आउटकम्स ऑफ एवरी चाइल्ड टू बी द सेम इंक्लूडिंग द डिसेबल्ड इन द मेन स्ट्रीम, प्रोवाइड्स कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन बिलो 14 years, 4th, ensuring that no children is left behind in education. And the correct answer for this question number 4, ensuring that no child is left behind in education. Question 5, listening is important for a teacher to address the requirement of the learner, gain knowledge, keep the learner in good humor, 4th, evaluate the learner for the progress made. And the correct answer for question number 5, address the requirement of the learner. Question number 6, a hypothesis should be conceptually convoluted, complex and generic, complex, tough and general, simple, clear and specific, obscure, complicated and simple. And correct answer for question number 6 is simple, clear and specific. Question number 7, during research while recording observation, if an observer rates an individual based on the rating given in another aspect of the interaction, this is termed as the evaluation effect, error of center tendency, halo effect, categorical effect. And correct answer, halo effect. Question number 8, the study of why does stressful living result in heart attack can be classified as descriptive research, explanatory research, correlational research, feasibility research. And correct answer for question number 8 is explanatory research. Question number 9, the formulation of a research problem can be compared to laying the foundation of a building, second, building the walls of a home, polishing the doors of a building, constructing the ceiling of a house. And correct answer is laying the foundation of a building. Question number 10. Mailed questionnaire, observation, interview, and collective questionnaire are instances of secondary sources, personal sources, primary sources, or territory sources. And correct answer is primary sources. Now next है comprehension. ये पहले पूरा पैराग्राफिकली comprehension होंगे. क्वेश्चन 11 to 15 आगे हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट ये comprehension है. A business will usually go through a clear set of stages that will make up its organizational life cycle. These stages include introduction, early growth, maturity, and decline. The first stage, the introduction, is the startup phase where a business decided what its core strength and capabilities are and start selling its products or service. At this early stage, the founder or founders will be a part of every aspect of daily process of the business. The main goal at this stage is to take off to a good start and make a place in the market. The next stage, the early growth phase, aims to increase sales and more development. The focus at this stage remains on the original product or service, but the effort is to increase the market share and venture into related products or services. The main goal is to move the founder to a more managerial role, so more time is spent on managing and building the business. At this stage, documents and policies need to be developed so many members of the organization can see the business anytime. Continuation is paragraph की. The third stage, the continuous growth stage, requires a systematic structure and more formal relationship amongst its participants. At this stage, the resource requirement of the business need careful handling. The focus is on the expansion of the business, keeping in mind its core strength and capability. A formal organizational structure and a clear delegation plan are important at this stage. At the fourth stage of maturity, a business often slows down as the level of innovative energy may have become weak and the formal structure may have become obstacles. A lot of care is required to prevent decline. तो इस comprehension को read पढ़ के हम आगे जो क्वेश्चन इसमें से आएंगे. For example, question number 11. When will a business create its place in the market? First, at maturity, at introduction, at early growth, at late growth. The correct answer is at introduction. After reading a complete comprehension, उसी में से आपको 5 क्वेश्चन आएंगे जो एक एग्जांपल यहाँ कोड की क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 की. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. The founder of a business does not move to a more managerial role at which stage? Early growth stage, maturity stage, decline stage, or startup stage? Correct answer is startup stage. Question 13. Venturing into related products and services does not mean that a business will ignore the original product first. Second, move the founder to a more managerial role, delegate more responsibilities, ignore the related products and services. इसका जो correct answer है ignore the original product. Question 14. The resources requirements of a business need careful handling at which stage? Fourth, first, third, or second? Correct answer is third stage. Question 15. ये last question है इस comprehension का. The slowing down of a business can happen if there is a decline in the market share, the level of innovative energy weakens, the managerial roles are not clear, the level of investment decline. Correct answer is the level of innovative energies weakens. तो यहाँ तक हमारे जो comprehension के जो 5 क्वेश्चन थे वो फिनिश होते हैं. Next question number 16. Semantic barrier of communication is employed when the signal is lost before reaching the receiver. Message transmitted by the source is unclear. Receiver attention is diverted. Receiver does not understand the meaning of message. Now the correct answer is receiver does not understand the meaning of the message. Question 17. Which of the following signifies non-verbal communication in an essential way? इसकी जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है इंस्ट्रक्शन रिटन ऑन ए क्वेश्चन पेपर, learner attending an online class, the dress code followed by an individual, yoga instructor teaching yoga poses to the pupils. ये चार ऑप्शन थी इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 की. करेक्ट आंसर इज द ड्रेस कोड फॉलोड बाय एन इंडिविजुअल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Assertion A. Communication proposes a shared symbolic environment, a social relationship even among non-participants. जो reason है R. It leads to social interaction which in combination with other factors contribute to a sense of community. Choose the correct option given below. इसमें से आपको जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है वो चूज करनी है आइदर आफ्टर द रीडिंग ऑफ assertion एंड रीजन से. बोथ A एंड R आर ट्रू. R इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ A. पहली ऑप्शन में ये है कि बोथ A और R वो सही है, बट जो R है वो उस A की करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. सेकंड, बोथ A एंड R ट्रू बट R इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ A. सेकंड में A और R ट्रू है बट R A की बेस्ट जो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. थर्ड, A इज ट्रू बट R इज फॉल्स. फोर्थ, A इज फॉल्स बट R इज ट्रू. करेक्ट आंसर इज A इज फॉल्स बट R इज ट्रू. Question number 19. Which of the following is a stage of interpersonal communication? Pathetic stage, intimate stage, personal stage, transcendental communicational. Correct answer is transcendental communication. Question 20. Which of the following is a characteristic of modern mass media? Capital intensive, labor intensive, sustainable development. Correct answer is capital intensive. Question 21. If red is coded as a 6720, then how would green be coded? First one, 1677209, 1677209, 9207716, 1677199. Now the correct answer is 1677209. Question 22. If 0.75x is equal to 0.02y, then value of yx divided 1 plus x is 71 over 75, 75 over 76, 77, 73 over 77, 730 over 75, and the correct answer is 73 over 77. Question number 23. If the average of 5 numbers id minus 20 and the sum of the 3 of the number is 32, then what is the average of the other 2 numbers? 1 minus 66, minus 33, minus 34, minus 132, and the correct answer is minus 66. Question number 24. A man traveled from the village to the railway station at the rate of 20 km per hour and walked back at the rate of 5 km per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours, find the distance of the railway station from the village. 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers, and the correct answer is 20 kilometers. Question number 25. A trader mixes three varieties of refined oil costing rupees 100, rupees 40 and rupees 60 per liter in the ratio 2:3 in terms of liter and sells the mixture at rupees 66 per liter. What percentage of profit does he make? 12%, 10%, 9%, 8%. Correct answer is 10%. तो इस वीडियो में हमने पार्ट 1 में 25 क्वेश्चन जो जून 2019 में फिजिकल एजुकेशन के सब्जेक्ट में पेपर 1 में आए थे वो डिस्कस किए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम जो इसके 26 to 50 क्वेश्चन तक हैं, जो नेक्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चन है वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।